What?
One of these days, you're gonna make an autistic noise, and he's gonna put it on there, and all you're gonna hear is fucking.
Boom. 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 Boom.
Honestly, this game is so fucking fire.
Boom.
This might be the best Doom game they've ever made, besides Eternal.
Yo, I'm literally the grown too, bro. Know what I'm saying?
The throat goat.
I'm gonna be your throat goat. Know what I'm saying? If I sound like that, dude, and you're throat goating, I think I make you fall for me. Know what I'm saying?
This is going on. This is gonna be going on autistic noises too.
I hope not. That's gonna be bad.
I'm the throat goat.
At this point, it's just clip fire. Okay.
Echo demon.
Okay, buddy. I'm not clip farming you. I'm gonna clip farm that ass. What? Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Oh my fucking god. Back!
Imagine if big black men just started jumping on you.
Yes, teammate. Okay.
What, North?
No. I wasn't listening to what you were saying for a sec, and then it registered
Nah.
after the fact. No.
Nah.
No, please, no.